Okay, so I got both of them out of their packaging. If you see, this seller uses this nice long tube bubble wrap to protect, and their stuff always comes in nice and clean. Oh, you know what? Is this 2 or is it 1? I'm confused. Okay, these are the drills for the tiger. Everyone seems to have done a tiger, so I broke down and I have 2 packages with the pen and the double-sided pen and the tweezers and the big wax and the green boat just open on the end. This is nice. I think this must be Huacan. How do you say that? I don't know. Okay, sorry I'm jerking it around, but I don't have a tripod and I'm just kind of winging it here. So this one is, oh, pretty colors. Come on, open up. It's like an aurora borealis. Lots of colors. And the other one is the tiger. I'm real excited. I feel like it's a rite of passage to do a tiger. Holy moly, look at all those colors. Okay. And this is the Aurora. Now I picked this one solely for the colors. Can you see all that? Very pretty. Very pretty. Gonna have to take everything out and count it. 18 bags of certain colors. That's a lot of black. Now I've had a problem with, oh, it's happening again, where the sticky is coming off on the paper. I said rub it. Last time I had to take a credit card. And look, there it worked fine. Came off the paper and it's back on the picture where it belongs. Now my next step will be to inventory all the beads. I'm not going to do that now because that's my, see what I do here. Here's all my canvases pressed flat. And then I take the drills, then I label the bag. This is my white lion that I'm working on. And if you can see, I inventory all the drills and I put the labels onto the little containers. And then I just pile them all up here so that hopefully when I get ready, that's my purse on top of the canvases. Put some weight on them. And so that's it. Everything looks good. I'll count the packets of the drills. Pray that none of them are sticky. They all look okay so far. I have to get up close and look at them. If they're sticky, I know what to do. Gotta wash them. Pain in the neck. So back to my work in progress. I need to clean up my mess. And yeah, that's Charlie. The reason he is facing the door is because, oh, now they're gonna fight, because he was guarding me from, you know, the mailman, the UPS guy. They save my life every day. Come on, puppies, what are you doing? They like to play fight all day. Keep me busy. So that's all. I'm really looking forward to doing these two, but I've got about 15 ahead of them. But I will inventory all the drills before I go give feedback. And thanks for listening. Oh, and the reason you should always unbox things and check quality is because I think you only have 30 days to file a complaint if there's a problem. Problems are usually those darn sticky drills. But, you know, it's worth it. Bye, everybody. Take care.